900,000 free coins in my OneState RP game. Stay with me, guys, because this is not a real hack. I know it looks like that, but it's actually possible thanks to our sponsors who surprised us again with something awesome, this time in OneState RP. First things first, I will check if my power saving mode is turned off. Same thing applies for if you're playing on iOS. Now, I'm opening my OneState RP game. You can see I don't have that many coins, but that's gonna change very soon. Let's do that. I opened my browser and went to ontwig.com. Then I searched for the OneState RP game in order to find it easier. I reached the step where I had to enter my client ID. This can be found by going in settings in game. Then I select Android, and of course I'm gonna go with the max amount of coins. This one might seem annoying, guys, but to make you understand the process, our sponsors have bought big packages of resources, and in exchange for that they will ask you to do a final step, which consists of some easy tasks. But don't worry, these are for free and they usually take you some minutes to complete. They also have a tutorial over there. Now I'm gonna open back the game and check what have we done. And yep, here we go, guys. I have received all the 900k free coins in my OneState RP game. I'm gonna put my finger above so you can see this is not any trick. If you got any questions, guys, let me know in the comment section below. I thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.